I mean, whatever I say is less क्योंकि प्रशांत सावंत been my trainer since my first film Student of the Year. जब से मैंने कदम रखा है फिल्मों में तब से प्रशांत मेरे साथ रहे and he's been my trainer more than a trainer. He's like a family member. He, his wife, his brother Rohan, I mean, has been by my side since day one. And आज actually मैं बहुत proud हूँ कि प्रशांत ने इतना बड़ा gym खोला. I think it's one of the best gyms in Asia. People should come and see the type of equipment he has, the type of training he offers. He is genuinely one of the best trainers we have in India, and I think when we have him, we don't need to go outside and look for anything.
Varun, how much does fitness matters to you?
It matters a lot more than fitness. Trainer matters. That's Prashant's logo, which is over here, and he's standing over there. So I can make a lot of fun of him also, but I'm not allowed to do that.
Thank you so much.
But I have to say that he and his wife Maya, like I said, have been by my side since day one. Prashant obviously is very busy because he has so many clients, but when he used to be busy, then Maya used to train me. When Maya used to be busy, then Rohan used to train me. But now I feel like I'm a trainer in the gym as well because I know the gym so well.
He's a pillar.
I'm a pillar, yeah.
He's, I think I'll be very thankful to Varun because he encouraged me so much to put up this gym. Again, he's the one after Vatsal and all. They all are like, after my like, now he comes and Prashant, you have to do it. Now this time too, you have to do it. बातें कर रहा है कुछ कर नहीं रहा है तो
हम लोग हमेशा मस्ती करते थे
we were in I think we were in Vegas when we were doing the ABCD when we were doing we had a very big chart for 5 hours and we like explaining what my plans and all and he said now you're and he's coming कभी कर रहा है तू कभी कर रहा है now is the time where he really and let me tell you when he came and see my gym and he didn't expect that you know
I didn't honestly it's a very मेरे लिए बहुत इमोशनल मोमेंट भी है ये क्योंकि जब आप किसी के पास क्लोज होते हैं और हमारी फिल्मी टर्म में बोलते हैं कि पिक्चर हिट होती है सुपर हिट होती है पर ये तो ब्लॉकबस्टर है
he said that the first day 40 crore opening it's like that so I was very and I really touched to like to have a brother like Varun he's like my younger brother the day he came to me first time he said कि यार स्टार बनेंगे तो बात करेंगे let's work out now let's do some workout
no, I have to say this thing that जब मैंने शुरू किया प्रशांत के साथ ट्रेनिंग तो उन्होंने मुझसे फीस नहीं ली थी बिगनिंग में उसने बोला था कि जब तू पैसे कमाएगा तब तू देना मुझे
yeah I think मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि he was very honest and you know he came for my help and he had a body that time and I think that I thought that you know Varun is a genuine because I met a lot of people on the set and there is not a we have a lot of हम लोग के लिए काफ़ी अहमियत होती है स्पॉट बॉय की तो वो वन स्पॉट बॉय ऑल्सो डिडंट से एनीथिंग बैड थिंग अबाउट वरुण दैट रियली टच मी एंड वरुण इज अ रियली जेन्युइन पर्सन एंड वरुण मेट मी ऑन द रास्कल सेम and his dad told me like you know and I really touched me and I never work for money he knows that he keeps telling me that so money doesn't but Varun is a person
आपको ये जिम ज्वाइन करना होगा तो फीस तो देनी पड़ेगी फ्री के लिए बहुत लोग आ जाएंगे वरना
अभी फीस तो दे लेके जिम बनाई है मैंने तो अभी तो दैट्स ओके but I think you want to say yeah we are family we are not like
he's always been there for us
and
What are your upcoming Amti Sharma की तरह creating
बद्री
बद्री हमकी हो गई अभी बद्री है
अभी बद्री आ रहा है
creating humongous buzz on social media.
Bhai, I'll tell you. I saw the promo. He showed me the look and he's going to be outstanding. He's going to be outstanding and he's looking big.
Fingers crossed, but where Badri is concerned, जो body Badri में आप देखोगे तो that also Prashant has made. जो body अभी जुड़वा के लिए बना रहे हैं हम लोग.
They are rocking in Judhwa. Bro,
that also Prashant is behind that, and all my food and all the meals that I'm getting are all from Lean Kitchen, which Maya does.
Maya is very strict.
And nutrition is done through that. And
so can you any fitness tips?
Any fitness tips? I think just come and train with Prashant Sawant, eat Maya Ferreira's food, and that's the
I think
best.
just be very. I think I'll tell you behalf of him some fitness tips. You know, Varun, I think we should tell that be little genuine to yourself. Respect your body.
Respect your body.
That's a thing that you know is. That's what I think. Really, Varun is really respect his body. That's what his body is. What he's like. You know, he's today. I think that's the thing.
I think it's a teamwork.
Lastly, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ उसका आप जवाब देंगे. बहुत ही दुखद घटना हुई हमारे
क्या
बॉलीवुड के एज डायरेक्टर सत्यलीला भंसाली
बहुत ही ख़राब बात है, बहुत ही बुरी बात है कि हमारे देश में जहाँ आर्ट को हम लोग इतना रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं ऐसी चीज़ हुई है एंड इट्स वेरी शेमफुल एंड आई थिंक इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू ट्रीट हिम लाइक अ स्पेशल पर्सन जस्ट ट्रीट हिम एज अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड द police should take action, the government should take action. This is horrible. He's a very respected filmmaker, very senior filmmaker who's made some great films. So you have to trust him that he's going to make Padmavati into a beautiful film and it's just horrible and we all stand with him and we all stand with him. Thank you guys.